Excuse me, I'm making a reel. Would you like to talk about book? Would you like to share something from the book?
I just started this book. This is a book by Chitra Banerjee. It's set in West Bengal during partition of India. It's a story about three sisters. I think they get separated. I'm not sure. I've only gone to the first part, so I'm excited to complete it also.
Is the book interesting so far?
Yeah, I mean, nothing happened so far. It's just a very small part of the story that I've read. So I hope it turns interesting and very riveting after this.
Hmm. So, do you like the book so far?
I've liked Chitra Banerjee's The Paris of Illusions, and I think her writing is top notch. So I found it really nice this one, but I'm really hoping to see where the plot takes me.
Okay. Do you like the story? The storytelling in the book.
As I've said, I've only read the first part of it, so that's not a lot into the plot. So I do not know the story yet. So I'm hoping to read it by next couple of days.
Okay. So, and would you recommend this book to someone?
Again, I haven't read it, so I would not say with very shortness that I will. But I've heard great things about Chitra Banerjee, and I really like The Palace of Illusion. So if they are a fan, they should definitely try out. And also, if people like blending of history and fiction, they should check Chitra Banerjee in general.
Okay. Thank you for sharing, and happy reading.
Thank you.
We are at the Chica Cafe. Now we have read books. Now we are leaving from the cafe. It's a really beautiful cafe.